Today we want to talk to you about our new ProCore panel, and the ProCore panel is something really very new in the marketplace, and what we've done is we've combined two materials. So we have an aluminum hook cavity that's inset into a PVC body. Now what does that do? It takes the core of the hook and turns it into about twice to 3 times the strength of just traditional PVC. So when I come in and put my hook in here, you're able to see that the hook is going right on top, right here, to the aluminum cavity. Now, when the next panel is installed, you can conceal the aluminum. So it just looks very clean, very professional. Now, when this panel is installed underneath it, like so, the hook is transferring its weight from this cavity directly down to this cavity, which in that case makes it where the PVC does not have to do any heavy lifting whatsoever. The way this is done is the panels are they're assembled at the factory, so they all come as one piece, but there's actually 2 pieces. The panel can be separated from the aluminum cavity, so you can remove it if ever you needed to. You are able to cut this with a circular saw, simply finishing blade. You will be able to cut right through the aluminum. Makes a bit of noise, so maybe some earplugs would be a good idea. Make sure you're always wearing some glasses. Again, screw cavity, we've added 2 small lips that allows us to get even more strength than just a plain flat surface, so it gives us more rigidity when you look at the flexibility of the board. So there's literally no flex in the aluminum. One of the big reasons why we came out with this, because our Proslat is a very popular panel, very satisfied customers. We had customers that are going to a 24-inch stud center that wanted to be able to carry the same amount of weight, but because of the stud spacing on PVC, you get more flexibility. What we're going to do now with the aluminum is this allow us to give us the same look as the PVC, but we'll be able to carry that same weight load and even more. Other people like home gyms and weights and dumbbells that really wanted to carry a ton of weight had asked us to what was the next level without going all the way up to our fully aluminum panel. Screws that come with this are extra long. You want to carry extra weight, we need to make sure that you're locked into the stud, because often when you're installing this, you've got a sheet of drywall. So the screw will come through the top here, go in, and still make sure we're locking in 2 inches into your studs. Panels are available in 4x8. All the trims are in the boxes. Look forward to seeing you at proslat.com.